Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clearing the lower berth and creating a safe reach. This saves time and prevents items from snagging. Once clear, feel for the hinge along the inner rail and the latch near the wall. These are your control points. Grip the berth firmly with both hands and lift slightly to take weight off the pins, making the initial rotation smooth. As you lift, angle the berth toward the central clip so the frame can line up easily with the overhead supports. Once the berth is off its resting position, continue the upward rotation while watching both ends. Asymmetry causes binding. You should feel the frame seat into the overhead cradle. When you do, hold that position and reach for the latch. Engage the latch deliberately so it clicks into place. This prevents slow slipping during travel. Make sure the support bars are not twisted. If one end sits higher, lower and realign before fully securing. Because a misaligned, you finish by fastening secondary clips and tucking bedding away so nothing falls when the train moves. Once everything's stowed, apply a firm but controlled push to the closed berth to test its stability. It should remain solid without creaking. If you encounter resistance or the berth won't lock, lower it a bit, inspect for caught straps or foreign objects, reseat the hinge pins, and then lift again. Doing this prevents damage and keeps you and fellow passengers safe during the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.